Hey guys, welcome back to Luke's Garage. Today we are going to be working on the Dodge Ram. Well, I'll at least show you what the problem is with it. It's got the Hemi tick, which equates to an exhaust leak at the manifold. What typically happens is the actual manifold is cast, the block is aluminum, and between the dissimilar metals warping, the heads of the studs pop off, so I'm sure there are some sheared tongue twister on the block of the Dodge. It's out there. So anyways, this is a quick video just showing you what it sounds like. It sounds like an exhaust leak, which is pretty common. So I'll take you over there and show you that. And then this weekend, I get to show you guys how to fix it, which is great for you and pretty cool for me because I like to fix stuff, but it's going to take some time and obviously a little bit of investment. So on to the show. So we're in the Dodge now. I'm about to turn it on. It's been setting cold for a little while, so it'll be louder once this thing heats up. That manifold, from the best I can tell, reseats when it expands, so the noise will go away after about 10 minutes. Pretty telltale sign, so I'll flip this on and you guys can hear it. I'll go outside after I flip this on. Lots of fun.
So here it is from another angle, which obviously you can't see anything, but maybe you can hear it's just a low tick. And I have already diagnosed this. I already know that there are 2 bolts sheared off. So if you have this, chances are you have an exhaust leak.
I don't know if you can hear it still. It's quieting down already. But yeah, so this weekend, like I said, I'll get to this project and show you guys how to fix this, which will include pulling sheared off studs out of the engine block, which is actually fairly easy. So we'll continue this project in about a day.